Welcome. Today we're diving deep into weld preparation, a critical step that determines the strength and integrity of your final weld. In a professional shop, the difference between a good weld and a great one often happens before the arc is even struck. The goal of preparation is to create the ideal geometry for the welding arc to penetrate deeply into the base metal. This is where Carbide Burr tools become your best friend. These precision tools are designed for aggressive material removal and shaping. Cone burrs are perfect for tight spots and creating sharp angled chamfers on the edge of your metal plates. Cylindrical burrs provide a broader contact surface, making them ideal for squaring up edges and general cleaning. And radius end burrs allow you to create rounded internal grooves, which are essential for specific joint designs. By using these tools, a welder can create consistent V-grooves. These grooves are the valley where the filler metal will live. Consistency is key. A uniform bevel ensures that the heat and material are distributed evenly along the entire joint. Chamfering removes the sharp corners, allowing for better access and ensuring the root of the weld is fully fused. Without this prep, the weld might only sit on the surface, creating a weak point that could fail under stress. Deep penetration means the two pieces of metal truly become one, sharing a bond that is often stronger than the base metal itself. That's how you build structures that last, by ensuring every inch of the joint is properly prepped and fused. When choosing your burr, consider the thickness of the material and the angle of the bevel required for your specific weld procedure. Make sure your tools are in good condition. A dull burr creates excessive heat and vibration, leading to a poor finish. Run your burrs at the recommended RPM. Too fast, and you risk melting the metal. Too slow, and the tool will jump and chatter. After beveling, always clean the surface. Residual oils or metal dust can cause porosity and other defects in your weld. A quick wipe with a dedicated cleaner ensures that nothing comes between your base metal and the filler rod. Safety is paramount. High-speed burrs throw sharp metal slivers, so full eye protection and gloves are non-negotiable. And don't forget respiratory protection. Grinding dust isn't something you want in your lungs. Protect yourself. Take a moment to inspect your work. A consistent, clean bevel is the mark of a true professional. When you take the time to prep right, the welding process becomes smoother, faster, and much more rewarding. Thanks for joining us today. Sharpen your tools, prep your joints, and keep those welds strong. We'll see you in the next one.